Okay, haha. Okay, can like you be a normal human for a second? Okay, thanks. I just got new glasses. They're nice and big and cool. I don't know. I'm happy I can see and they're not sliding off my face. That's, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be filming a haul, but not my, it is kind of one of my usual hauls. Like it's a thrift haul, but it's a huge 2020 thrift haul. My first haul of the year. We're just gonna start off with just everything up top. And yeah, that's what we're starting with. I got this baby tee kind of thing from Avalon during the dollar sale. The back says, know it, do it, or something like that. And it has the Bible on it. And the front has a Bible chapter. This random like tee. Cherry Valley Tractor. Just a little pocket, it's all black. And then the back, it has some graphics on it that says, Cherry Valley Tractor. Call that number and see if anyone picks up. I don't know. What is this white one? It says Dickies on it. It's just a right there small pocket that says Dickies on it. It's just a plain white tee. It's very crisp. And yeah. So it's a collared button down like crop baby tee type of shirt. It has cheetah print on it. And the material is like ribbed. It's like lines going down. Leafy, flowy, collared, like a Hawaiian type tee. It's really cool. I really like the colors. It kind of looks like plaid in the background. Like very, very faint plaid, if you can see that. So I'm like, it's $1, it's cute, it fits. I can experiment with it, try something with it. It's very cute, it's soft. But so I got this Harley Davidson shirt. You know, Harley Davidson. It's really cool. The back says Low Country. I really like the color. The second one I got it has wolves on it. It's so cool. Brown in it as well because it looks like maybe marble or something type of like, you can see that. I don't know how to explain that. I just assume it's like marble or like. And this second one I got is the cutest color, cutest shirt ever, and it spoke to me. And it's this washed out like blue shirt. It has birds on it and it's super cute. It was in the vintage section and I just love it because I love it and I love it. And animals are great. Yeah, I'm a plant mother now, so yeah, I have kids. Oh, they smell so great. Alrighty, these are all like the short sleeve shirts that I thrifted. Now to like sweatshirts, jackets, sweatshirts, whatever, all that stuff. It says Chaps, Ralph Lauren on it, has a cool stripe on it. Navy blue, simple sweatshirt, or just long sleeve tee. The second one is a similar shirt to that. It says Daytona 200 on it, 04. And I really like how the stripe goes onto the sleeve. One flannel because my flannel collection is completely zero now. One I lost, my favorite flannel ever. It got lost when I moved. It's this green and navy one with some tan lines within it, plaid, yeah. And it's a Ralph Lauren one. It's very soft and it's cotton. It's a bit oversized. And I really like this thing. It's perfect. It like goes with a lot, so you can easily throw it on with any outfit, almost any outfit, and it works out. This is really cool. It's a Nike Red Sox sweatshirt. I really like these type of sweatshirts, but this one I tried on and it fit very well. It has pockets, and I really like how these type of shirts have the where did it go? The zipper on it. I don't know what it's for. It's like a more of a washed out light green color. It has a collar on it. Gives that dad vibes to it. Now we're gonna get to the bottoms. My personal favorite. Got these Dickies. They're really cool because they have like white stitching. And look like this. The back looks like so. They have the cool like, what are these called? They're like little loop things. I don't know if they're for keys or just for like holding. They're definitely pretty big on me, but with a belt, when I saw these, I'm like, I need those because they're so nice. Look at them. I have a pair of flares. They have this cool like crisscross print. And the bottoms they're these cool flares with light washness in the middle. And they have like some distressed at the bottom, which is really cool. We have these pants are so cute. So they're these high-waisted khaki cargo type of pants. So I've gotten compliments for my butt looking good in these, and my butt is like. So I have another pair of Dickies. They're gray Dickies. Like this. They're like normal, like workman pant type Dickies. I wrote the bottoms as well too, but there's like no special stitching like the other pair, but they're really cool, sleek, simple. Not two, but a third pair of Dickies. Yes, a third pair. These ones I have a love-hate relationship with because they're cute, but the shape of them is, so there's a lot of butt room, but even like further down, and big like thigh room, and I don't have like anything there, so it's like, I'll post a picture here too. And I got these little like high-waisted dad type jean. They fit really well. They look really cute, and they're shorter, so I have like this cool flare at the bottom. So then I got these bottoms. So they're like stretchy and comfy. They're like cotton material, high-waisted, loose-fitting. I wear these pants with docs and they look great. High-waisted dress type pants. They have a stretch on the back. They have like the high-waisted, but then the bottoms go more slim. One is a pink one. Weird that it's like a hot pink color, but it's really cute. Looks like this. A pastel, marbly, cloudy type of print where it's like white and gray and silver. Last clothing item in this haul is the cutest skirt ever. It has like fruits printed on it, which is random, but it's really cute. These ones are cute as fudge, and I'm gonna show you them. So the first one I got was this cool leopard cheetah print belt. Looks like this. Ignore my ghetto nail. I call these belts all-purpose belts because they fit everyone, and I always had an issue with finding belts that fit because they were always too big. But the ones like these, you can make them as loose or tight as you want. And the last item of this haul, and the last accessory I got, accessory I got was military bag, but it has like the front, then you put your head in it, and then just the back, American flag print on the front, some Velcro buttons. $2.99 for this bad boy. I mean, if that wasn't a deal, I don't know what you're gonna call it then. I don't know. Yes. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and if you want more, comment and let me know what you like. I will see you later. Peace. Shout out to Jordan for being my try-on haul photographer. Hey guys.
You want to see me run to that mountain? You want to see me do it again?
You want to see it again? Watch this. You want to see it again?